When you do talk to investors, what's the one message that you want them to take away?
I think it's like repeating that really. It's the scale of the opportunity. If we can get the harvesting system to the efficiency levels that we're aiming at, there's the opportunity there to disrupt huge supply chains, and also it's supply chain resilience as well. Some of these blooms happen in off the coast of Africa, South America. They're global problems, and some of these countries can use that material locally. It can be processed locally to produce the materials that they need, and they're sustainable biomaterials.
Give me an idea of the size of this opportunity.
From our market analysis, we have on our slide deck, it's $1 trillion opportunity because there are various markets. Every single thing that oil can be produced from harmful algal blooms. So the biomass from the harmful algal blooms can actually replace oil and replace crude oil. So thinking about the size of all these markets, biofuels, bioplastics, and even parts of the cosmetic industry, many of these can fit into the feedstock while at the same time creating, reducing the amount of carbon. So from that, solving the problem of harmful algal blooms while also saving, the cost of fuel and oil. So the only thing missing in this gap is just that technology for the conversion, the technology to harvest and process. As soon as that is solved, this is a recurring problem that is quite abundant all over the world.
Thank you very much, Peter and Blessing, for chatting to us today. You can find more information on Algaenic on Carbon 13's website or search Algaenic.